Hello and welcome back to the 8th video for Topic 1, System Fundamentals. We're now going to be describing the importance of user documentation, and this is for the IB Diploma Programme in Computer Science. As you can see here, we're still on Topic 1 out of 4 for the core syllabus. Okay, but we have moved on. With the first 7 videos covered systems in organizations, now we're moving on to user focus, and we have 3 videos. This one is 1.1.8, describe the importance of user documentation. As you can see there, it's not always the most interesting thing to talk about, but we do need to cover it. So the objectives of this video: user documentation explains how to use a system's features to end users, including books, PDFs, websites, and videos. This video will cover the following key points. So we're going to be covering the importance of user documentation because this is critical for system adoption and productivity, and it simplifies user training and system implementation. Okay, so why is user documentation important? It provides users with a reference guide, ensuring they can effectively utilize a system. Clear instructions help users discover and utilize less obvious features of, let's say, a software package. Enhances productivity, guides users through using the system effectively, reduces time spent learning the system. It facilitates system implementation. Users require less training, faster adoption and implementation. What you must remember is users are not developers. Users are like everyday drivers, not car designers. Good user documentation acts as their GPS. Simpler documentation speeds up system adoption, reduces training needs. Users are not technical people. They only need to know how to use a system, not how the thing works. A well-made user documentation guides the user through using the system and thus increases productivity. If the user documentation is simple, system implementation can happen faster because users require less training. Okay, this looks rather complicated over here. Okay, so components of user documentation: minimum hardware and software requirements, installation guide, getting started instructions, feature usage guide, screenshots and examples, troubleshooting tips, contact information for further support, maybe an email address or a phone number. Okay, so let's have a little look. An example scenario: introducing a new educational software system into a school. Okay, maybe to track pupils' progress. Importance of clear instructions: teachers and students need to understand how to use the new software effectively. Clear step-by-step guides can help them navigate the system without frustration. Role of the user documentation: ensures that both teachers and students can quickly start using the software, reduces the time needed for formal training sessions, helps uncover and utilize advanced features that might not be immediately obvious. It provides a go-to resource for troubleshooting, minimizing downtime, and maintaining productivity. So, different types. We've got end-user manuals, system administrator guides, and support staff references. But let's have a little look at each of these. So end-user manuals provide detailed instructions on how to use a system's features. It includes troubleshooting sections for common issues, often comes in the form of printed booklets, PDF files, or online help pages. Now, system administration guides, these offer information on installation, configuration and maintenance of the system, including advanced settings and customization options. It's essential for IT staff to keep the system running smoothly. And support staff references, these include FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and problem resolution steps, enable support teams to assist users quickly and effectively, often updated regularly to reflect common user issues and solutions. Okay, it's a short video this one, but in summary, user documentation provides essential guidance and clarity. It enhances productivity and facilitates faster system implementation. Well-made user documentation serves as a critical tool for both users and support staff. It acts as a reference guide, ensuring effective and efficient use of the system, and good documentation reduces the need for extensive training and speeds up adoption. Again, as always, I've got some exam questions from past papers. 4 questions here. Number 1, explain why user documentation is important when implementing a new computer system. Okay, question 2, describe the potential consequences of inadequate user documentation for a complex computer system. Question 3, provide an example of how user documentation can facilitate the adoption of a new system. And question 4, discuss the role of user documentation in reducing training costs, during the implementation of a new computer system. As always, I've got the answers on the next few slides. If you want to pause the video and have a go and then check your answers against mine, that's fine. If not, continue watching. So question 1. So we've got user documentation is crucial because it provides clear instructions and guidance to users on how to operate the new system. Okay, I'm not going to go read it all the way through. There's the answer for question 1. Question 2, inadequate user documentation can lead to various negative consequences. And there's some examples here. Question 3, imagine a company adopting a new project management software system. And then we've got user documentation and so on. And then user documentation plays a significant role in reducing training costs. How does it do that? Again, I've given you examples here. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so thank you very much indeed for watching. I'll see you in video 1.1.9. Until then, bye for now. Thank you very much indeed. Please continue to ask questions, leave your comments, hit notifications, and please subscribe. And finally, if you wish to buy me a coffee, I'd be truly grateful. Please visit buymeacoffee.com/learning zone. Thank you very much indeed. See you next time. Bye for now.